Welcome to our brand new website. We've given it a fresh, modern look to make finding what you need even easier. Now let's dive into our brand new theory portal, your ultimate tool for passing the theory test with confidence. First, sign in or create a quick account if you're new here. Once you're in, you'll see our membership options. But wait, today only, we've got something special just for you. Use the code FREETHEORY and you'll get full access to the theory portal absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free for today only. Inside the portal, you'll find everything you need to ace your theory test. Each topic is clearly explained with a helpful guide, and there's a quiz to test your knowledge every step of the way. Whether it's road signs, rules of the road, or hazard perception, we've got you covered. If you have any questions, need extra help with theory, or want to book driving lessons, don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us or send us an email. Well, we're here to help you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the theory portal now and get started on your journey to driving success.